Welcome to another alteration and addition project combining style and sophistication, delivered by the Sydney office of DP Design Studio. The dedicated Sydney team was involved in every aspect, from designing, project management and delivering interior fit-outs for this property located in Castlehill, New South Wales, Australia. This is the second project undertaken by the Sydney office for the same client. After the successful renovation of the client's primary residence, they engaged DP Design Studio for their investment property. The brief was to create a brand new look and feel to increase the rental income, and I think you'll agree the results are outstanding. The single-storey 4-bedroom home has an open-plan design with a vast living zone, dining, pantry, laundry, 2.5 bathrooms and a double lock-up garage. Left in disrepair from the previous tenants and deemed a real estate disaster, DP Design Studio embraced the challenge, reinstating the home to its original condition. The property had exposed internal brick walls which were covered with gyprock, and outdated leaking bathrooms were given a luxurious transformation with stylish modern fixtures and fittings. Installation of a new kitchen complete with modern appliances has elevated the home's style and sophistication, a hallmark for DP Design Studio. Old light fixtures throughout were replaced with quality modern fittings, and today this property presents in immaculate condition. The focus of DP Design Studio is to always honour the client's best interests, delivering a quality, hassle-free outcome. DP Design Studio is a client-focused boutique design and drafting firm specialising in high-quality new builds and home renovations from inside to out. To find out how DP Design Studio can transform your home, call today on 1300 373 374 or email via admin@dpdesignstudio.com.au.